What you're seeing and hearing is a PrimaLuna Dialogue 2 tube amp. This one came in with no sound. Turned out to have problems with the power supply, which I will elaborate on here in just a moment. But it's fixed and ready to go home. Thought you'd like to see it. But I don't have much time. Like so much 21st century audio gear, it's just about impossible to get a schematic for the PrimaLuna amplifier, but it was pretty obvious once I got into it what was going wrong. Some simple checks discovered that there was no high voltage available for the input and phase splitter tubes. And that turned out to be due to a string of shorted Zener diodes, which I'll show you here. These are 150 volt 3-watt Zeners that from the factory are just soldered together head to tail and strung between a ground bus and a terminal on a terminal strip. The diodes simply hang in the air. So I ordered new 150 volt Zeners. This time I ordered 5-watt Zeners, and I also ordered a replacement set of resistors for the resistor that was burned out by these shorted Zeners. And as you can see in this photo, I made use of the terminal strip to mount 2 of the diodes hard to the chassis, and then the third diode is the only one going literally in the air from the ground bus to the other 2 diodes. This is a lot more physically stable setup, and it provides a little bit of heat sinking for the diodes, and of course I did use bigger diodes than the original. I used 2 resistors in parallel to replace the single resistor that was feeding them to start with, and once this small repair was made, the amp came up and ran like a champ. I ran it for 2 or 3 hours. It sounded great, and we even got the remote fixed. Let me add at the very end of this that this amplifier is for sale by its owner. He asked me to let you guys know that, and if you're interested in it, get a hold of me, and I will hook you and the owner up, and y'all can talk business. Anyway, there it is. Thought you'd like to see it. That's the PrimaLuna Dialogue 2. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.